Hi guys, this is my entry for Frankie Day's historical aircraft group build. I've got 2 or 3 projects coming to an end now, so I've got a bit of time spare so I can squeeze in another group build. And as per usual for me, I'm doing an Airfix kit, another old one. I don't think it's as old as the Heinkel that I did for the German bomber group build. Certainly looks a slightly better kit. So the one I'm doing is Airfix's 148 Junkers Ju-87-B, better known as the Stuka. There she is. That's how she'll look when I've finished. Anyway, I've opened one of the bag with the sprues in. Just been doing a little test fit of the fuselage halves. Looks like that'll go together alright. No flash on it, so pleased with that. Next sprue, which I took the other stuff off. There are some little bits of flash on here, but not too bad, not too bad. Looks like it might go together quite well. First set of wings there. Must say there's a rather nice lot of detail on these wings. Riveting detail. The spads, whatever they're called. Wheels all in one piece. Oh no, it's 2 halves. Don't like that. So that'll lose a bit of the detail when I have to sand them down, no doubt. Injector pin marks all on the inside, but that's alright, we're not going to see them. Next set, this is probably the one with the worst flash on. So if I can try to zoom in. Oh, look at that, I managed it. Out of focus like. Anyway, trust me guys, there's flash on those props, and there's flash on the guns and on part of the pilots. But some nice detail on the pilots, so I'll have a go at one of them. Well, both of them. See what I can do. So yeah, that's not looking too bad. And the clear parts, yeah, which are looking quite clean and indeed clear. Little on the thick side, but I think they'll be okay. Typical Airfix instructions, which I'm sure we've all seen before now and don't really need to see again, but should be fairly quick build, only 13 stages to it, so hopefully that'll go together quite quickly. Now I really do like this when they put these colour parts in for the paint schemes and the decal placements, but I've done enough splinter camo for now, so I'm going to try and do something a little bit different, and we'll probably do this scheme here. So that's the Junkers Ju-87-B-2 chop, based in Libya in June of 1941. So that looks like quite an interesting scheme to try and do. Should have fun with that. So I'm going to give that one a go. Decal sheet, no swastikas on there, but as I've said before, I've got a set, so I shall be able to put swastikas on mine. So once again, I'll be starting on that over the weekend. Might even start it tonight, glass of wine. glass of wine, model kit, finish up the others. Happy days. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheerio.